Looking for a reliable way to check ear health at home? The best otoscope makes it simple, safe, and accurate. With clear visuals and easy handling, it's perfect for parents, caregivers, and medical professionals alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. AnyScope Otoscope. The AnyScope Otoscope is a versatile and reliable tool designed for effective earwax removal and thorough ear inspection. Its high-definition camera allows users to capture both photos and videos, making it perfect for sharing with family, friends, or healthcare professionals. This otoscope's design ensures a safe and comfortable experience with a speculum and adjustable protection cover that minimize the risk of scratches or injuries while cleaning the ear canal. Its ultra-fine 0.15-inch lens provides easy access to even the smallest areas of the ear canal, ensuring accurate inspection of the eardrum. Compatible with Android devices 8.0 Plus that support OTG and UVC functions, as well as iPhones with iOS 9.0 Plus, the AnyScope Otoscope allows for seamless connectivity and instant viewing. Users can view in both full-screen and split-screen modes, with the latter offering side-by-side comparisons of previous and live images, improving health monitoring and ear care over time. This device is thoughtfully designed for all ages and provides a practical and enjoyable ear cleaning routine. Its compact design makes it portable, ideal for home use or travel, and it allows first-time users or parents to manage ear health confidently. Overall, the AnyScope Otoscope combines safety, functionality, and advanced features to deliver a professional-grade experience for anyone concerned about ear hygiene and monitoring. It is a dependable investment for families, medical students, and healthcare enthusiasts, offering precision, clarity, and convenience in one easy-to-use device. Number 2. Anyear Otoscope. The Anyear Otoscope offers a professional-grade solution for earwax removal, combining flexibility, precision, and user safety. Its soft silicone tube lens is bendable and adapts effortlessly to different ear canal shapes, making it suitable for both adults and children. This flexible design allows access to areas that traditional rigid ear picks cannot reach, increasing effectiveness and comfort during use. Equipped with a 10MP high-definition camera and 6 LED lights, the Anyear Otoscope delivers clear, real-time visuals for accurate ear inspection. Users can monitor their ear health closely, capturing images or videos for reference or sharing with healthcare professionals. The 16-in-1 earwax removal kit includes multiple silicone tips, replacement heads, tweezers, and inspection tools for ears, nose, and throat, ensuring a complete and hygienic cleaning routine. With its IP67 waterproof rating, the kit is easy to rinse and maintain, promoting long-term hygiene. The optional depth limiter prevents overinsertion, making it safe for beginners and children while avoiding discomfort. Its long battery life supports up to 80 minutes of continuous use per charge, and it connects easily to iOS and Android devices via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi without internet access, keeping user data private. This thoughtful design makes it an ideal gift for home use, families, or individuals seeking a safe and professional quality ear cleaning experience. The Anyear Otoscope successfully combines advanced technology, versatility, and user-friendly features to provide a comprehensive solution for ear health, offering both confidence and convenience during routine ear care. Number 3. Cynamed 2-in-1 Ear Otoscope. The Cynamed 2-in-1 Ear Otoscope stands out for its dual functionality, offering a complete diagnostic solution for examining the ears, eyes, and mouth cavity. Designed for both professionals and students, this otoscope kit ensures quick and accurate examinations, making it ideal for medical students, nurses, EMTs, CNAs, and other healthcare trainees. Its compact 2-in-1 design includes high-quality LEDs and 3x magnification, providing clear, bright visuals for precise inspection of ear canals and eardrums. The kit also comes with 2 spare otoscope tips replacement LEDs, a Snell eye chart, a detailed user manual, and a carrying case, ensuring a complete and convenient diagnostic experience. Its bayonet locking system and durable construction using premium stainless steel and BPA-free plastic guarantee longevity and reliability. With easy handling and precise functionality, the Cynamed 2-in-1 Ear Otoscope supports professional training and real-world medical applications, offering both educational and practical value. Whether for students learning anatomy and diagnostics or professionals performing routine checks, this kit delivers dependable performance. Its versatility in addressing multiple diagnostic needs makes it a valuable investment for those pursuing medical careers or seeking a reliable tool for home health monitoring. Overall, the Cynamed 2-in-1 Otoscope offers clarity, convenience, and professional-grade quality in one well-designed package, ensuring safe and efficient use for both learners and practitioners in healthcare settings. Number 4. Cynamed Otoscope. The Cynamed Otoscope is a thoughtfully designed diagnostic set that provides everything needed for a thorough ear examination in one handle. The kit includes 3 ear specula, an illuminator, 3 mirrors, a nasal adapter, a head lens wheel, and 2 bottle spare specula, along with 4 extra bulbs, ensuring a complete and versatile diagnostic experience. Powered by 2 C-type batteries, not included, the device offers consistent illumination for precise examination, while the compact design makes it portable and convenient for professional or home use. Its durable construction and ergonomic layout allow for easy handling and effective ear canal inspection. This otoscope kit is ideal for healthcare professionals, students, or anyone seeking a reliable, all-in-one solution for ear diagnostics. The comprehensive set ensures accurate visual inspection of the ear canal and helps maintain ear health effectively. Its versatility, portability, and ease of use make the Cynamed Otoscope a practical choice for routine ear checks, training, or clinical applications. With all essential components included, it supports detailed and professional-grade ear examination in a compact and user-friendly format. Number 5. ADC Otoscope. The ADC Otoscope is a high-quality, professional tool designed for accurate ear inspections. Featuring fiber optic technology, it provides cool, obstruction-free light transmission for clear visualization of the ear canal. The 2.5V LED lamp ensures true tissue color representation, enhancing diagnostic accuracy. Its wide-angle swivel 2.5x viewing lens allows comprehensive observation and facilitates instrumentation when necessary. The otoscope includes an insufflator port, fitting and insufflator sold separately, enabling pneumatic otoscopy for advanced assessments. With 5 aperture selections including small spot, large spot, semicircle, fixed, and red-free filters, along with 19 viewing lenses ranging from -20 to +20 diopters, the ADC Otoscope delivers exceptional versatility and precision. The AA battery handle, complete with an on-off power switch integrated into a pocket clip, ensures portability and ease of use in clinical or home settings. Its ergonomic design allows professionals to perform thorough ear examinations efficiently, making it an essential tool for ENT specialists, primary care physicians, or medical students. The ADC Otoscope combines high-quality optics, durable construction, and practical design to deliver a reliable and professional-grade instrument for monitoring ear health and conducting diagnostic evaluations with confidence. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.